Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Rural 82 here, your railroad archaeologist. So today we're going to be seeing the Port of Miami train as it makes its way through Hialeah, Florida. I'm going to show you on this map with the S, that's where the Hialeah Yard is. And the F is the finish point, which is the Port of Miami, aka Dodge Island. And the black dot on the map shows you roughly where I filmed this video, which is East 6th Avenue. So it was more or less like a quarter of the way, almost a quarter of the way along its journey. So join me in watching the Port of Miami train, guys. Enjoy the video. The Port of Miami train. I used to be on this job a few years ago, and it's usually about 1,700 feet, sometimes 2,000 something. But yeah, all these go to the Port of Miami. The symphony of W.C. Hayes mechanical bells. Alrighty guys, thanks for viewing. Please subscribe and like, leave me a comment. Thank you, bye-bye.